Hey guys, so I have a transparent logo just here that I downloaded. You can see that it's transparent because I did this. So if you want to export this with transparent background with alpha, you just have to go to the export settings. You go to custom and format QuickTime, and you have to change the codec to DNxHR and put the render or individual clips, and then you have an option to export alpha, and this is gonna make it that it's gonna be a transparent background. Just start render, and that's it.